Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. People drag Black Coffee ngemva kokuthi angene indzaba aya Scott Maphuma ithenge actually. So uhambe lapha ku Twitter uyobhala ukuthi Scott Maphuma netandla aletinqinqe ukuthi he's apologizing for Scott Maphuma. So bekakwenda lo obvious from a place ukuthi yabona ukuthi nake career yami mfana ayimoshakala bekakwenda lokho because uyabona ukuthi ishubile. So he was just trying to help the poor guy inkosi yami ukuthi athi ngiside nami ngifake isandla phela abantu bamfaka kani actually nguyela tifake ngaphasi kwebhansi akusibantu. So abantu abaningi bamngenela bathi ngicela sicela uphume lapho uphuma indzaba letingakufuni hebana. Some people even said ukuthi ufuna sikhansele wena ngadifaka indzabeni ongangeni kudo. Somewhere even saying ukuthi sicolele njani umuntu losibede ngemasimba why apologizing. Some said ukuthi his apology was not genuine, hence why bangeke baze bamqolele. So Black Coffee, if he knows what's good for him, akaphume etindzabeni aletingahlangana naye hebana. Yabona everyone lo izama kumela Scott ayutol for that mandation because people are really fuming, people are really angry, and bayasho nje ukuthi umfana usifuna kumfundzisa ukuthi sengibobani sina sidlali la. Noma sekaqolisile, people still feel ukuthi i-apology yakhe it wasn't genuine, bengaqhamuke from the heart, bekakhulumela nje because uyafuna ngidlulisa isikhathi and ngazi ukuthi yambona ukuthi khona mlamthumi ukuthi amboqolisa, or his team said ukuthi hayibo wena amboqolisa phela akusikuthi yena bekafuna uqolisa. So people still feel ukuthi they still need to fry this guy because akasengaka aliboni mistake yakhe. Uyozathi sesi emantombatanini ase-South Africa athi bhodi ebafanini ade kokuthi muntu angebantu. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you on the next one. I am signing out, so goodbye.